and this is probably going to be the biggest TV or biggest screen that I've ever watched my vlog on. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing fine. I'm really glad that you guys liked the previous video a lot. And जैसे कि मैंने बोला था कि इस vlog में शायद मैं आपको इस घर का जो Airbnb है उसका tour दूंगा because it's really very nice. So for now you can see from outside how it looks. Currently we are going for a shoot, so we'll complete the shoot first. We'll come back and then I'll show you the entire house. And advantage of having a minivan is you can just easily keep all your sound and photo and video equipment. So this is our stand bag, that's a light bag, and that's Andriana's camera bag. And if you are a photographer, you will know how important carrying batteries everywhere you go is. Alright, so we are going to our shoot location right now, and this time basically we are down here in Florida with Andriana's family. So I must say that Andriana is one of the most hardworking moms I've ever seen. And that actually makes me realize like how multitasking all mothers are usually, you know, like they have to do so much. They have to take care of the kids, they have to take care of their work, etc, etc, and take care of the house, and then it inspires me to, you know, like even work hard every day. Right, so we've reached the location where we'll be shooting for the day. So why don't you guys enjoy some time lapses, and I'll see you in some time. Okay, so we just got done with the shoot. It was a very nice and a very quick shoot, I can say, but now it's time to head home, and I'm really very excited to show you our Airbnb as soon as we go home. And we are back home, and now it's time to give you guys a little tour of the Airbnb that we are staying in. So why don't you guys first have a look at some aerial shots, and then we can go inside. Alright, so this is the wonderful living room. It has a nice Christmas tree over here, a lot of paintings over here, and then there's like this Christmas thing, and then so these are the little decorations. And yes, there's a pool table also, which is amazing if you know how to play pool, and then if you are interested, if you get a group of friends, you can definitely hang around here and play. And then there's this little, I don't know, phone जो कि बहुत पुराना दिखता है. There's this music system, and then there's Alexa also. So if you just want to play any song, आप Alexa को बता सकते हो, and then Alexa will play it for you. Also, we have this projector over here with a Bose sound system. So the projector goes up here, and then you can just hang around in this area and watch movies, etc. There's also popcorn maker. I'm not sure if it works or not. And then this baby Yoda, and there's a little fish tank, but I don't think there are any fishes in here. Are there? No. And then a few more decorations. And yes, there is a pool. There's something about Airbnb with pool that I really like, that you know, you can just chill. Even if you are working, you can chill by the lounge area, you can do your work, and if you want to just go for swimming, you can do that. A lot of Airbnbs that I have been to in Florida, वहाँ पे हर जगह पे there's a barbecue outside and a grill outside, तो फिर you can do your barbecuing or grill work outside. तो फिर अगर आपको दोस्तों के साथ कुछ ऐसा स्पेशल बनाना है तो you can do that also. And also Florida में काफ़ी सारे कीड़े मकोड़े, इंसेक्ट काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, especially because बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स क्लाइमेट, बिकॉज एकदम अपना इंडिया जैसा क्लाइमेट है, मतलब मोस्टली वार्म रहता है. इस बार थोड़ा सा ठंडा है. इट्स अराउंड 4 or 5 degrees इन द नाइट एंड देन इन द डे इट्स अराउंड 13 or 14 degrees. बट यूजुअली काफ़ी गर्म रहता है, तो फिर कीड़े मकोड़े बहुत है, इसलिए दिस पूल इज़ कवर्ड कम्प्लीटली ताकि घर के अंदर कोई कीड़े मकोड़े ना आए. इफ़ यू वांट टू स्विम वगैरह तो फिर कीड़े मकोड़े ना आए, इसलिए इट्स कम्प्लीटली कवर्ड. सो दिस इज़ द पूल एरिया विच लुक्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल आई थिंक. Little TV near the pool area if you don't want to go all the way in there, but you also don't want to sit inside, so you can just sit here, watch TV while your friends are having fun in the pool. And then this is the dining area where you can sit and chill, have your dinner, lunch, etc. This is the coffee machine. ये भी Keurig का, मेरे पास भी घर पे Keurig है, but then the one that I have is a drip plus single serve combined, but this is just a drip one. So if you don't have the coffee pods, then you are screwed, which we are basically right now, because there are no refillable or reusable coffee pods, so we'll have to get them so that we could make our coffees. And apart from that, the dining area looks good. This is the kitchen, so quite big. It has a lot of things that are stuffed in already. So jaise ki you have all the glasses, and there's also a cookie dough maker, which is nice if you plan on making cookies on your vacation, will you? And then there's also a laundry area. So this is one of the rooms जो कि कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. It's really nice and set up. यहाँ पे कोई रह नहीं रहा है because जो master bedroom है वो बाहर है. It has an attached toilet, so there are 2 washrooms in total. And now I'll show you my room, which is probably the fanciest looking room, which looks something like this. And there are posters up here. ये अलग अलग टाइप के posters है. There's this TV, there's a PlayStation. It's a PlayStation 3 not 4. किसी ने कल guess किया था कि it's a PS4, तो it's not a PS4, it's a PS3. And then ये ऐसा कुछ टाइम पास करने के लिए है. Best part about my room is that it has a desk. And then ये जो है, that is not beer, that is a root beer, which is non-alcoholic part of beer because I don't drink. So I just have root beer whenever I want to. And yeah, so that is pretty much of the house from inside. It is very well decorated, मतलब properly ऐसा किसी interior designer ने decorate किया ऐसा लग रहा है. And overall the vibe is really nice. And this is probably going to be the biggest TV और biggest screen that I have ever watched my vlog on. And ये जो covered pool जो मैंने आपको सुबह दिखाया, उसकी बेस्ट बात कुछ ऐसी है कि अगर आपको शाम को यहाँ पे बैठ के आराम से वेदर एंजॉय करना है इवन आफ्टर इट्स डार्क, तो फिर आप कर सकते हो. अगर वो कवर्ड नहीं होता तो फिर इट विल बी जस्ट सराउंडेड बाय बग्स एंड हर जगह पे कोई ना कोई काट रहा है, मच्छर वच्छर जो भी है. तो इसलिए वो कवर्ड पूल होना इज़ अ रियली नाइस थिंग. आप बस आराम से बैठ सकते हो. अभी तो फ्लोरिडा में हो रहा है 9 degrees, तो इफ़ यू वांट टू जस्ट एंजॉय द कोल्ड आप वो भी कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू प्रेफर वेयरिंग हुडीज और स्वेटर्स ड्यूरिंग 9 degree वेदर तो फिर वो कर सकते हो. फॉर मी 9 degrees इज़ लाइक रियली नाइस, वेरी प्लेजेंट, तो मुझे किसी हुडी वगैरह की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो आई जस्ट एन्जॉय इट लाइक दिस. सो आई थिंक दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज व्लॉग. छोटा सा और क्रिस्प रखना था मेरे को, स्पेशली फॉर टूर ऑफ द एयरबीएनबी. काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मेरे को, इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि आपको दिखा दूँ. पिछले बार जब फ्लोरिडा आया था तब नहीं दिखाया था. तो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज व्लॉग गाइज. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा ज़रूर लाइक कर देना. एंड ऑल्सो डू फॉलो ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, जो लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. और हाँ, अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर देना. सब्सक्राइब करते वक्त बेल आइकन दबाना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना, ताकि आपको मेरे सारे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन जो है वो टाइम पे आती रहे. तो मिलता हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में. तब तक के लिए स्टे सेफ, हैव फन एंड पीस आउट. Favorite song?
A big shark. Big shark. Shark. A big shark. Big shark.
Yep.